Hi, welcome to Automate M365. Today, I'll show you how to update a Microsoft Planner task when a Microsoft form is submitted. No coding needed. Start with your Microsoft form. Include a field for task name, status, due date, or any information you want to update in Planner. Open Power Automate, click Create, then choose Automated Cloud Flow. Set the trigger when a new response is submitted. Add Get Response Details and select your form. This ensures we have all submitted data to use in the flow. Add the action list tasks and select your Planner plan. This will give us all tasks to find the one we want to update. Add Filter Array. From Value. Condition, title equals task name from the form submission. This finds the exact Planner task to update. Add Update a task. For task ID, select the first item from the filter array. Then map form fields, task name, due date, status, and any other details you need. Submit a test form response. Watch your Planner task update automatically. If needed, adjust the flow or test with different submissions. That's it. Your Planner tasks now update automatically from forms. Like this video, subscribe for more Power Automate tips, and check the playlist for more workflows.